Okay, tubers, I am doing a review, actually an unboxing, for the Mars Hydro SP250. We had spoken with Mars Hydro about doing this review a couple days ago, and they got this thing out to me super fast, within like 3 days from the time I told them I'd do this to the time it got here. So it was quick. This light covers 2 feet by 4 feet area with about 200 to 240 watts dimmable. And I'll show you, I'm going to open this up and see what the specs are on the light, so stay tuned. Alright, that's what it looks like when you open it up. We've got, looks like there's a couple of rope ratchet hangers. There's 2 of them, I guess that's 1 for each side. It's a long rascal. Raise that up, you pull this little lever here, and that will allow you to adjust that to the length and height that you need it to adjust to. That's cool. It also comes with 2 hangers. I guess that'll attach it comes with some warranty information and information on the spectrum. I'll leave a link to this in the description area, and you guys can go out and check all this out. So I suppose you just take the clip, put that in that side, and that in that side. This probably weighs about 11 or 12 pounds. And you would just, whoops, hang it like so. This is what the bottom side of that looks like. There's the LEDs. We're going to put this in my propagation table. Anyway, let me go get this hooked up and we'll show you what it looks like. And there's what all that is. That rascal is really bright.
Check the links in the description and use coupon code FFARM, that's FFARM, for a 3% discount for this product. Thanks. God bless.